Hello friends, in Maths chapter 7, Coordinate Geometry, we will see the solution of exercise 7.3. So question 1 we have, the 3 points are given, a x1 y1 equals to 2, 3, b x2 y2 equals to minus 1, 0 and c x3 y3 equals to 2 minus 4. And say that find the area of triangle. So area of triangle formula we have 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y2 minus y1 minus y2. So we submit the value, then 1 by 2 x1 2 0 minus 4 plus minus 1 minus 4 minus 3 plus 2 3 minus 0, and so we will have 1 by 2 2 into 4 minus 1 into minus 7 2 into 3. So we will have 2 fours are 8 plus 7 plus 6, and so it is 21 by 2 square units. Similarly, second question is given ax1 y1 equals to minus 5 minus 1, bx2 y2 is equals to 3 minus 5, and c x3 y3 is given 5 2. So again we find out for area, then area equals to 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. We submit the values, then 1 by 2 x1 minus 5 minus 2 x2 3 2 minus 1 plus 5 into minus 1 minus 5. So it is 1 by 2 minus 5 plus 7. So minus 5 into 7. Minus 5 into minus 7, that is 35 plus 3 into 3 9 plus 5 into 4. So it is 5 into 4 20, and so 20 plus 9 29 plus 35 64 by 2, it is 32 square units. Now we have question 2. The 3 vertices are given 7 minus 2, 5 1 and 3 1 of 9, and say that they are collinear. So 3 points a 7 minus 2 means a x1 y1 equals to 7 minus 2, b x2 y2 equals to 5 1 and c x3 y3 equals to 3k. Now these 3 points are collinear. Then find the area of triangle. Find the value of k. So whenever points are collinear, the area equals to 0. So we will write that a, b and c are collinear. Therefore, area of triangle equals to 0. That is means 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 equals to 0. So 1 by 2 will go that side and will convert into 0. Now we submit the value. plus 5 into k minus minus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 1 equals to 0. So 7 minus 7k plus 5k minus minus plus 2, so plus 10 plus 3 into minus 3, that is minus 9 equals to 0. So minus 7 plus 5 minus 2k, and here 10 7 17, 17 minus 9, that is 8, and so 2k equals to 8, so k equals to 4. Now second sum we are given 81 k minus 4 2 minus 5 are also collinear. So with the same formula we write here ax1 y1 is equals to 81, bx2 y2 equals to k minus 4 and cx3 y3 equals to 2 minus 5. So as ABC are collinear, area equals to 0. Area of ABC equals to 0, so we write that 1 by 2 8 into minus 4 minus minus 5 plus k into minus 5 minus 1 plus 2 into 1 minus minus 4 equals to 0. So 1 by 2 will be 0 and 8 into minus 4 plus 5, that is 1, plus k into minus 6 and here 2 into minus minus plus, so 4 plus 1 5 2 are 10 equals to 0. So 8 minus 6k plus 10 equals to 0. So 18 equals to 6k and so k equals to 2. Now we have question 3. Find the area of triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0 minus 1, 2 1 and 0 3. Also find the ratio of this area to the area of given triangle. So first we draw the given triangle ABC. It is 0 minus 1, 2 1 and 0 3. Now we want the midpoint of the three sides. So midpoint of AB we calculate, that is 0 plus 2 by 2 minus 1 plus 1 by 2, that is 2 by 2 1 and minus 1 plus 1 0 by 2. So here midpoint of AB will be 1 0. Then after midpoint of BC equals to, so 2 plus 0 by 2 and 3 plus 1 by 2. So 2 by 2 1 and 4 by 2, that is 2. And midpoint of AC (0 plus 0 by 2) and 3 plus minus 1 by 2, and so it is 0 and 2 by 2, that is 1. So here BC's midpoint we got 1 2 and here we got 0 1. Now we have to find out area of, suppose we take these points as P, Q and R. Then PQR area means this area we have to find. So now we have the area of ABC. So area equals to 1 by 2 x1 means 1 into 2 minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 0 plus 0 into 0 minus 2. And so 1 by 2, 1 into 1, 1 plus 1. And so 2 by 2, that is the 1 square unit. Now here further question you say that find the ratio of this area, means this 1 square units ratio with the given triangle. So area of given triangle we find out, and area of given triangle will be one by 2, 0 into 2 minus 0 into 1 minus 3 plus 2 into 3 minus minus 1 plus 0 into minus 1 minus 1. And so we will have 1 by 2, 0 into anything 0, minus minus plus. So 3 into plus 1, 4, 2 are 8 plus 0. And so it is 1 by 2 into 8, that is the 4 square units. Now we want the ratio, and so ratio equals to 1 by 4, that is 1 is to 4. Now we are given the question for, that is the find the area of quadrilateral which is formed by 4 points minus 4 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5 3 minus 2 and 2 3 taken in order. So let's we construct the triangle and we draw the triangle A B C D. So A is given minus 4 minus 2, B is given minus 3 minus 5, C is given 3 minus 2, D is given 2 3. Now we want to find out area of ABCD, means we draw the diagonal AC. Then ABCD equals to ABC plus ADC. So we calculate the area of ABC and ADC. So for that, ABC equals to 1 by 2 minus 4 into minus 5 minus minus 2 plus minus 3 into minus 2 minus minus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 minus minus 5. So it will be 1 by 2 minus 4 into minus 5 plus 2, that is minus 3 plus minus 3 into minus 2 plus 2, that is 0 plus 3 into minus 2 plus 5, that is 3. And so 1 by 2 minus 12 plus, minus minus plus 12 plus 0 plus 9. So 12 plus 9, 21 by 2. Now area of ADC we find out. Then area of ADC means 1 by 2 minus 4 into minus 2 minus 3 plus 3 into 3 minus minus 2 plus 2 into minus 2 minus minus 2. And so it will be 1 by 2 minus 4 into minus 5 plus 3 into 3 plus 2 5 plus 2 into 0. So 1 by 2 minus 4 minus 5, that is 20 plus 15 plus 0, so it is 35 by 2. And so area of ABCD, we know that ABC plus ADC, so ABC answer we got 21 by 2 and here 35 by 2. So 5 1 6 3 to 5 56 by 2 28 square units. Question number 5 is given. We have to check the fact. Median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. For that, triangle ABC is given. Its three vertices are given: A, B, C. A is given 4 minus 6. B is given 3 minus 2. And C is given 5. Now we want median, so we know that median is from the vertex to opposite sides midpoint. So if we draw median AD, and D is midpoint of BC, and so if in triangle ABC AD is median, then D is midpoint of BC, as D is midpoint of BC, D equals to, coordinates of D equals to 5 plus 3 by 2 minus 2 plus 2 by 2, and so it is 8 by 2 4 0. Now we have to show that area of ABD and area of ADC are equal. So we will find out area of ABD. That is 1 by 2 or into minus 2 minus 0 plus 3 into 0 minus 6 plus 4 into minus 6 minus 2 by area of triangles formula. And so here 1 by 2 4 into minus 2, so it is minus 8 plus 3 into minus plus 6, so 6 these are 18, and here 4 into minus 6 plus 2, that is minus 4, so minus 16. So 1 by 2 minus 16 minus 8 minus 24 plus 8 18, that is minus 6. And so it is 1 by 2 into minus 6, that is minus 3. But we know that area is always positive, and so ABD equals to 3 square units. Now we find out area of ADC. So again area of ADC equals to 4 into 0 minus 2 plus 4 into 2 minus 6 plus 5 into minus 6 minus 0. And so it will be 1 by 2, 4 into minus 2 minus 8 plus 4 into plus 6 plus 2. So 8 4s are 32. And here minus 30. So minus 38 plus 32, that is minus 6, and so minus 3, and so ADC equals to 3, and so we can say that ABD equals to ADC, and so we can say that the median AD divides the ABC into triangle which has the equal area.